Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chrislou and I do DIY reformations and makeup recreations. So for today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I created this Bustier puff sleeve tie front crop top. So in this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way. Before we continue to the tutorial, I'll be showing you the fabric I used in this video or in this tutorial. So I used this Japanese cotton. So this Japanese cotton is very lightweight and does not fray easily, so you can easily use this, and this is only worth 160 pesos and I bought a 1.5 meters, so I paid 240 pesos. So this is very affordable guys, and I still have lots of it because I only used a few meters from this fabric. So you can still use this in any top or in any whatsoever. I think I only used a 1/2 meter of this para sa ating bustier crop top. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. First step is we will cut a fabric measuring 14 inches length and 20 inches width. This will be our front bodice for our top. I measured it depending on my desired measurement. You can also decide on your own for your body measurement. Mine, I'm making it loose to my body measurement so that I can easily adjust it. Once you have cutted the fabric for the front bodice, I'm folding it to cut the excess fabric, and then from the center front, I measured 1.5 inch and marking it. From the marked area, I draw a half circle for the cups. I'm eyeballing it, so if you're contented with the size of the cups, you can freely cut it. For the cups, I measured 12.5 inch since the measurement of the cutted cups was 6.5 inch, so I added 6 inches. I draw a bigger size for the cups, and I cutted 4 pieces of half circles because the fabric was not that thick and my nipples might be visible, so I added 1 more piece each cup. The first thing I sew is the straight top, sewing it with straight stitch and then top stitching it after. Once you're done, I'm now creating an elastic casing and used a safety pin to easily insert the elastic and sew both ends to hold the elastic from the inside. This time, I'm using a loose stitch For the curved part of the cups, I'll be creating a gathered edge so that it looks more fitted to your chest part. I'm pinning the center front of the bodice so that it stays in place once I hem that part and that we won't be hemming once our cups are attached. I'm now pinning the cups to the fabric, pinning the cups facing wrong side down, and then sew it zigzag stitch first, then straight stitch after. Next step is to cut a fabric for our back bodice, the same measurement of our front bodice, which is 4 inches length and 20 inches width. Hem the top and bottom of the back bodice, pinning it first so that we can easily sew it using a straight stitch. After hemming, I'll be putting this elastic thread onto our back bodice, putting it on the top, bottom, and in the middle. Sewing it wrong side facing down and slowly sew it. To have a ruffled effect, use your presser foot as a measurement for the distance of your elastic thread to your seams. Once you're done sewing, tie both the excess threads at the end. This is to prevent your elastic from getting out of the fabric. At the middle, I'm putting 2 lines of elastic thread. Make sure to stretch the fabric once you're sewing the second line of the elastic thread. Once the back bodice is done, attach it to your front bodice. Pin it first and sew it using zigzag stitch and then straight stitch for durable top. For the sleeves, I measured 28 inches long and 6 inches width of fabric. Hem first the top and bottom of the sleeves. Then use the elastic thread once again to have a puffy sleeves. Then use your presser foot as a guide to measure the distance of your elastic thread. Connect both ends of the sleeves once it's done. I use zigzag stitch and straight stitch in connecting the sleeves. Before I attach the sleeves onto the top, I firstly cutted an armhole at the side measuring 2 inches downward and 1 inch at the top horizontally. Connect all markings with a curved line reaching the mark at the bottom. I attach the sleeves together with the top, pinning it to stay in place, and then sew it with zigzag stitch and straight stitch. For the last step, I measured a 30-inch long of fabric with a 2 inches width. We will be attaching this at the center of our top and the cups to help define our chest. Cutting this strip into 2 pieces for the left and right cups. Folding it in half and sew all the way down. Use a loop turner to turn the strips right sides. We're done, and here's the final look of our top. Po ang ating Bustier puff sleeve typhoon crop top, and I hope you all enjoyed watching the whole video, the whole tutorial, and I hope to see your own creations. And once you have created your own DIY, post it on your Instagram and don't forget to tag me. So if you haven't followed me on my Instagram and Facebook, here's my Facebook and Instagram account. So I posted all of my creations and my makeup looks on my Instagram. So follow me there. So yun guys, if you haven't been subscribing to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below. And also guys, don't forget to click the bell button down below so that you will be notified whenever I posted another video. And also guys, don't forget to click the thumbs up down below if you like this video, and share this to your friends. So see you in my next video guys. Bye!